Welcome this video. Video title is Embracing Timeless Charm Stone Cabin and Cottage. In an era where modern architecture often dominate the landscape, their timeless eliminate to the rustic charm of stone cabin Nestled image and cottage, those great structure hero are seen of serenity and Nestled often are retreat from the hustle and bustle, often contemporary life from the rugged mountainside to tranquility, lakeshore, stone cabin and cottage stood as and symbol of simplicity, craftsmanship, and a deep connect to the life. Report in history. The history of stone cabin and cottage shut back contact with air original deep intertwine with the landscape and cottage to the air receiving and an for example moment stone cottage when often built to load craftsmen use material such as timbered stone or sandstone. Those century were designed to withstand the test of time, provide a warm and intercloth, timeless aesthetic. When set stone cabin and cottage is here timeless aesthetic unwin those contemporary contact part with often sleep line and modern material stone example to scene of natural beauty to static those air shape and textile of the stone warm the warmth of weather words and the choosy interior about with hardcraft finish all convenient to air rustic appear. Most over the use of load material add to the unique sheltering of an stone cabin or craft, whether it's the stone raft craft, the field stone wall, the of New England farmhouse, or the limestone of those detect and craftsmanship to air surrounding create a harmonious blend of man make the natural elements connect with nature. One of the most craft a pair of stone cabin and craft is those close connect with nature. Large window frame photographing view to the landscape invite sunlight and refresh air into living space. Stone fireplace provide a cozy focal point beyond anything, while outdoor patio at port often provide and enjoy the sun and sound of the surrounding entertainment. Surrounding more minimalities those entertainment footwork unlike modern build those own enjoy material light connect and craft stone century centrability request are main interests and unkeep whether it's weekend getaway to a permit cedar living in a stone cabin and craft entertain are simply a way of living with five requests are free to embrace those of natural whether it's go wood farm the fireplace trend to a vegetable gardening or simple talk away in the countryside. Moreover, the scene of choosing those other of area add to the appear to stone cabin living neglected look out for the one anyone share skill and stone around the cabin health.